Hey friends, in this video I will show you how you can train your Chat GPT into your personal assistant. Okay, now let's get started. I will show you two methods. Okay, now let's start with the first method. First of all, you have to create a new chat by clicking on this new chat, and you have to give the following prompts that I do in this video. Okay, you have to train one by one on each of the aspect. Like if you have any tasks, you have to make it in an Excel sheet, uh, and you have to feed it to ChatGPT in this chat. Okay, now I will show you how you can do it. Okay, now I will copy this small data. Okay, it has name and certain ages of the people, which is random. I will place it here. Now I have given the data which I had in the Excel sheet. Now what I will do is I ask ChatGPT to generate a wake up message for every 60 minutes. After that I will give some tasks like I have a meeting at 6 p.m. You have to wake me up. Now you can see that it's giving a confirmation alarm at meeting at 6 p.m. Okay, to do a task regularly, that is if you want to execute the task in every 7 days or every 30 days, then you can say him like this. This is what I have given. At 3 p.m. you have to remind me to see my analytics on YouTube. Okay, this is how you have to train it, guys. There are other programmatical ways as well. Now you should not close this conversation. Now let's test him whether he is giving the correct information or not. Now you can see that just comment page has been changed to 40. Like this you can give any tasks so that he can assist you as a personal assistant. Now let's move on to the second process, guys. Second step is nothing but there's an extension for ChatGPT which he can assist you as a personal assistant on the sidebar. The name is ChatGPT sidebar. This is it. Just go to it and add to Chrome. You will ask to pin it on top. Just pin it and click on sign in. Sign up with Google. And that's it, guys. Now I will show you a demo. Here is the assistant logo. I asked him give me some best watches on Amazon under 2000 INR. And I will check on it. This is the watch that he has suggested us. And I will ask him to summarize these 3 paragraphs in simple steps. Okay. I ask him to explain. Which has even some statistical data. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.